The Ketra lights are critical to what we do here. Bodyrok is a aspirational boutique fitness brand. There's a lot at stake right now for us. People are constantly getting more and more competitive in this space by trying to be unique. The vibe in our studios is really important to us. We chose to use Ketra lights. We're able to program the lights to change every 13 minutes in class, which helps them feel those transitions and is really motivating for them.
Doing great, nice job. We're coming up on the third of the way through that first transition. Let's lift the left heel high.
Ketra gives us an extremely easy way to customize our lights. Their app has been really helpful in customizing the everyday tones of our lighting. I'm even able to change the lights remotely in San Francisco from here in New York. Staying motivated while working out is everything. The lights are a huge part of that. Ketra gives us an environment that allows people to be the best versions of themselves. Our job and our goal is to create that space, that vibe for them that allows them to have the best experience of their day, and in doing so, come out as a healthier, better version of themselves. Ketra is in line with what we're doing in the fitness space, and that's being innovative, aspirational, and new.